should know that I've got you on my mind, your secret admirer. I've been watching you at night. I think of you. I want to be your lady, baby.
Hey Dad, I was wondering, could we go to Miss Rachel's fish pool since it's Dill's last day?
I guess so. But be careful and have fun.
Thanks, Daddy! What a beautiful night. Not a breath upon us. I mean, look yonder. Cut. Hey, Dill, since it's your last day, why don't we just go to the Radley's house?
Are you guys crazy? Don't go!
Are you kidding me? It's our last day here. Come on now, you're acting like a dill pickle.
You know what?
Have
Scout.
you seen that house?
Scout.
You know what they can do to us? They'll
Scout.
rip us apart.
Rather come with us or go home.
Oh, fine. Whatever.
It'll be fun. Watch, I'm telling you, nothing bad is gonna happen.
And
Let's
if
just
it does,
go.
And if something
It won't.
bad happens?
It just won't, alright?
Don't worry about it. You're acting like a real sugar cube right now. Come
What?
on.
Fine. Let's go.
Come on. Let's go.
Where are we
No,
going?
we're going to the house.
No.
Just
No.
Shut
No.
Shut up.
Let's
Come
go.
on, Dill's
Let's go
up for
back.
it, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty down for it.
See, come on.
Let's go back.
Hey, you wanted
Let's
to
go
be
back.
here, didn't you?
Yep.
Fun. I guess I'm the one with more courage here.
I guess I'll go with you.
Alright. We just gotta stay real quiet so they don't hear us. And it might not be really easy to get out or to go in, but we'll manage, right?
What would happen if they hear us?
Nothing's gonna happen. We told you this already.
Come on. Stop.
Come on, get in there. Come on.
You know what? Since you're so scared, I'll get Dill to help me open the door. Alright?
Okay.
We'll open it. You just stand there.
Thank you. Alright, just help me. Come on. You know what? I have an idea. Why don't we just spit on it?
I like that plan.
You wanna help on us, Scout?
No, I'm good. Go ahead.
We need more spit. Come on.
Yeah, I mean, you're wasting saliva right now just by talking.
That's okay. Keep going.
The whole night at least. Hell.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
1, 2. You got this. Alright, let's go.
No, please don't. Okay.
You know what to do.
Okay, I'm going back now.
No, you're not. Come on.
Come on.
Let's go.
Guys. Where are we?
We already told you millions of times. We're going to the booze house.
Where do we go now?
We go that way to go on his backyard.
Ew, this is disgusting. Let's get out.
No, we're already here. We're not leaving.
Why are you acting like such a crybaby? Come on, we're already inside.
Cockroaches? That's
No,
nasty.
no, no,
That's
no.
nasty. Let's go.
No, you wanted to be here, didn't you? You didn't want to go back with that? It's my last night. Come on. Alright, let's go. Come on. Look, we're right here.
We're already right here. Come on, get in there.
This one's Come on. Go. Come on, where's your...
It's my last night.
Alright, let's go. Hey,
Fine,
are the
whatever.
lights on? I'll check.
Hold on.
I don't think there's anyone in there.
How about you knock?
Yeah.
Go.
Wait, I got stuck! You know what? Come on! You help me!
Come on.
Ah!
We can't.
Ah!
Take your pants off. Hurry. Hurry.
Ah!
Come on. Come on. Hurry up, Jim. Come on. He's coming.
Ah!
Hurry.
Ah! Ah! It's fucking hurt!
Are we done? let's not talk about what just happened ever again.
Alright, deal. We never went to the Radley's house. We never crossed that border illegally, and I did not lose my pants at all.
I second that.
What do you have, Paul?
Do not question it. It's a movie.
He did lose his pants back there, but I agree not to bring that up ever again. I'm sorry.
That was pretty funny, wasn't it?
Alright, guys, we're getting off track on the movie.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah.
So yeah, we don't tell Atticus at all. Got it?
We weren't there. We were in the house. We were playing board game, drinking.
No. We were at Miss Rachel's pond thing.
Boom. There
I
it
mean,
is.
that's what we
At
did
the
tell
party,
Atticus.
we had soda pop, and we were there. Nobody else. Just had a nice party, and that's the story.
Alright,
Boom.
sounds perfect. Alright.
Alright.
Day here, huh?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah, it really. I really enjoyed it.
Are you gonna finally find your dad?